everyone. I hope you and your family is safe and happy. I am Dr. Rashmi here. Welcome to Fitter Body Leads to Fitter Mind and Happy You. So during this lockdown, I had the thought what might be the difference between intelligence and wisdom. So when I was looking out for the meaning and understanding the differences, here are my thoughts and learnings. I hope this will help you as well in making wise choices in your life. Before I start with my understanding, so here are few examples which I want to share with you people so you can understand the difference better. So let's take a simple example as a small child for whom we always tell that don't touch a fire, it will burn you. But does the child listen until unless it tries and experiences it itself? I'm sure you must be thinking, why does that kids or people don't listen to you even when you're repeatedly saying the same thing? So this is what, when you educate somebody, that is what is called intelligence. But when they experience the learning, that is what is wisdom. So child doesn't listen to you until unless it experiences and realizes the wisdom behind what you are saying. So let's understand what is intelligence. So intelligence is nothing but that you study and read or observe people and learn. So this is more of an acquired skill. Intelligence is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skill. When it comes to wisdom, it is not that you can acquire it over a period. It is not a age bound. Small child can have better wisdom than an elder person. So wisdom is nowhere connected to the age of the person. But intelligence is mostly connected to the age, because as you grow older you can acquire and learn a lot of skills and start implementing it. Is that intelligence going to give you any wisdom at all? But yes, so when you have learned and acquired some skills over the experience, you can transform that into a wisdom. But it is not necessary that every intelligence that you have acquired is going to be converted into wisdom by itself. You have to take a note of this point. Intelligence is of no value if you are not using to achieve and get wisdom from your knowledge or intellect. So, but wisdom is directly associated with the experience, and it is a very complex ability which is very difficult to be explained. When we use wisdom, we are using our own, rich experience that we have lived through, and this will help us make the decisions here. Not that you have learned something over the period of, through your studies or by observing other people. So here when I say intelligence, it is your how power. How power means it is a strategic combination of your experience, your knowledge, your innate and acquired abilities to solve problem. But when it comes to wisdom, it is your why power. That is, internally. So the internal filter that enables you to select and focus on the problem that maximizes your intellect. So the wise person is someone who knew what the right choice was and always made it. And to be the right choice, it had to be morally right, and it would always give that person more happiness, and knowing that he would have always done the best that is possible at that situation. Knowing you are doing something right and which is morally right and which gives you more happiness is what the focus. If you are a nature person, then you would always observe that the green grass which is there would always know it had to bend towards the direction of the wind blow. Do you think somebody taught it, or do you think it learned by itself? So this is a complete difference between an intelligence and a wisdom, because wisdom is something which you are already aware, which you already know, and it cannot be absorbed by learning. But yes, please note that reading and acquiring skills can help you and become a wisdom person after experiencing your learning. Connection between intelligence and wisdom, but when you are intelligent, that doesn't mean that you have a wisdom. So you see, lot of educated people behave so wrongly compared to these old people who have lot of wisdom, and their knowledge doesn't come from the books or the degrees that they carry. So wisdom is nothing but the right application of the intelligence that you have acquired. Here are few of my learnings to better understand the difference between intelligence and wisdom. The first point is, the intelligent person knows when to speak, whereas the wise person knows when not to speak. So you can be smart by birth, but you can become wise only with your experience. The second point is, the intelligent person understands what is being told to him, but a wise man understands what is being not told by the person. The third learning for me is, the intelligent person is aware about his abilities and his capabilities and is confident about what he is able to do, whereas the wise man is aware of his limitations and about his weaknesses and stays humble to learn more. Fourth understanding is, intelligence is roaming in the world to find yourself, whereas wisdom is roaming inside yourself to find the world. Fifth point is, intelligence is taking insurance policy for your loved ones. Wisdom is taking care of the loved ones when you are around them. My sixth learning is, intelligence is brain, but wisdom is mind. My seventh learning is, intelligence is making best friends forever, but wisdom is knowing that there's nothing called best friends forever other than being friend for yourself. My eighth learning is, intelligence is having opinions, whereas wisdom is accepting others with their own opinions rather than imposing your opinions on them. The eighth point is, intelligence is establishing in new relationships, whereas wisdom is keeping what you currently have. My ninth learning is, intelligence is in making new relationships, whereas wisdom is making an effort to keep them. My tenth learning is, intelligent people freely gives unsolicited advices, whereas wise man keeps his counsel till he is exhausted of all his options so that he can help the person. My 11th learning is, the intelligent person preaches, whereas the wise man reaches to help the person rather than preaching them. These are few of my learnings to understand the difference between intelligence and wisdom. Hope this helps you. I want to end my video with this one thought by Lazo. Knowing others is intelligence, whereas knowing yourself is where wisdom comes. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling.